Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog from National Yangming Chiao University. So today was a little special for me because after my classes ended around 5 p.m. I directly headed towards the NYCU talk event as a member of ISA team. So right now I'm standing near to Engineering Building 4 and honestly I was feeling both excited and nervous at the same time because for the very first time I was holding a selfie stick and a mic in public while recording myself, and it was like too much. It was very first experience that I don't have that much words to share those things. It may sound small, but starting this journey of vlogging in front of people is actually a big step for me. I kept thinking everyone was watching me, but slowly started enjoying the moment. From there, I walked through the campus, and the evening atmosphere at NYCU looked really peaceful. I passed by the area of Engineering Building 4, then I saw the Waffle House there, and it's near to the library and in front of the Engineering Building 3. So this is in Engineering Building 3, okay, and this one is the Waffle House. The waffles are very, very tasty here. I tried so many, and I'm fond of that. Like whenever I pass through this side, I just able to keep myself like not to buy those things very few times. So I buy, and the salty and the sweet both wafers are very nice. I never tried the non-veg waffle stuff. So this is the library building, and there are some construction going on because they just changed this area because there were so many plants before, and I think they just did that one. So this one is the NYCU bus, and it's there are many standing inside the university campus. So the bus usually stop there only, and then I'm going. Let's go. So on the way, I saw so many things, so many not so different, but it's good. So this is the view of my university. You guys can enjoy it. And I continued walking towards the post office building. So this one is post office building. I just know this building as by the post office building name. So even I really don't remember the name. I just usually forget the names. I'm so bad in remembering the name and the things. So on the way, I also saw this poster display area where different events and activities were being showcased around campus. It honestly make university life here feel so active and international too. And then I finally going to reach at Engineering Building 1, where the venue was EA 101. I got there for NYCU talk session. And so this is the Engineering Building 1. So I'm wearing mask today because I'm having some kind of allergy and I'm sneezing a lot. So this building is the Engineering Building 1 and the venue is 101. So I'm entering, and you can see there is a poster too for that meeting and with the time. So I'm not sure like what will happen in the meeting because this is my very first time that I'm going to join this kind of meetings after coming here to Taiwan. And I'm a little bit nervous too because I have the hesitation of talking with the people in the starting. So I want to talk. Let's see what will happen. I'm not really, I'm not sure like. Still, we have 3 minutes because the time was 5 p.m. So I'm waiting and drinking the watermelon juice. The people usually call here it's winter melon because it's somehow, I think watermelon have some cooling properties, so that's why. Because I was not that much hungry, so that's why I'm drinking this one. That I brought from dining hall to second floor. Yeah. And I can't take the video and the photos of the whole meeting because according to their norms and regulations. So first I signed for my attendance that I came here to attend this program, and then I came inside, and then we waited for people like to join us on time because the session will start at 5:20, so we were waiting, and finally the meeting started. Main one point here is that the Chinese talk like they were translating the Chinese into English at the live moment, so it was easy for us to understand what's happening here because there were few international students too. Then we gathered at the same place to take some pictures, and the meeting were ended. I received one dessert box from this meeting, and then I came outside from this room. So it was darker outside, and I enjoyed this meeting because this one was very first time here for me. I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching my video. I hope I will try and I will improve myself. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.